Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you the fox method in the latest Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest update. This method is one of the easiest ways to get free seeds without stealing them yourself. So in this Fall Harvest update, adds a brand new map with a beautiful autumn theme like this, and then while exploring the map, you will have a chance to find the fox, the one of the new event pets. And this fox is a mythic pet, so it's pretty rare to spawn. And if you're lucky enough to find one, you can purchase it for 10 million maple leaf. So make sure you have saved enough before it appears. And what makes the fox is so special is its unique ability. So during the night, it sneaks into another player's garden and then steal a seed and bring it back to you. That means you can get free seeds automatically without having to sneak into other gardens yourself. And if you are looking for an easy way to collect extra seeds, maybe this frog method is definitely worth to trying. And then in here, unfortunately, I can't show the ability in actions yet because I still don't have enough maple leaf and the frog hasn't spawned in on my map so far. And okay, that's how the fox method works in Grow a Garden 2. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!